Hello, this is Robert McKim, founder and president of the Community Awareness Emergency Response Security Radio Patrol at a location here in Carrollton, Ohio, where not really sure exactly if it was a tornado or just straight line winds, where a mobile home was actually toppled over, but there was also a lot of trees down as well from this severe weather. It was in the newspaper, is how I found out about it. Staying out of the road because a lot of people are trying to drive down here and look at things. But as you can see, this tree here, some tree limbs down up there as well, and then down here as well, and then this first mobile home right here was toppled over onto its side. I wanted to show, people there as they're driving by here. I like people's, driving by to look. It actually was cut in half when it flipped over and landed onto the other person's mobile home. And I guess there was somebody living in this mobile home as well. As you can see, here's the mobile home, what's left of it. Here's, as you can see, limbs down. Up there as well, some trees down. Let me move out of the way of these people. I'll move the cone for you so you can get through here. I don't think they really want anybody really going up through here.
Right. My Aunt Sherry lives right there in that corner, Sherry Shaw. I wanted to make sure she was okay.
Yeah. I heard somebody was living here. Were they here when?
I own it. I live here.
Was you here when it happened?
No.
Okay. Did anybody? I did, but did anybody else notify EMA and to notify the National Weather Service?
EMA is here. He said
Okay.
he's contacted the National Weather Service and they're supposed to come out.
I contacted them as well this morning. I'm a Sky1 storm spotter. I'm an advanced Sky1 storm spotter, so it's kind of my duty to let them know storm damage. And of course there's damage to that house trailer's roof over yonder there. Okay, well, as you can see,